Hello, this is Nikita Udge. I have joined GSC group on 6th of June 2020 and it was my fourth month, nearly the start of my fourth month. It's been 5 months that I have joined GSC group. I just want to share the difference before joining and after joining GSC. Before joining, it was 3 months, and me and my husband we both were there in Pune, and no one was there with us. And in that 3 months, in those 3 months, actually we faced a lot of problems. Like we were having some issues with our jobs because it was a period of lockdown. Then husband's job, my job, curtailment in salary and all those things, few tensions related to home and all, etc. But never mind. I don't know, but I was feeling very alone. And in this situation, I just scrolled. I was just surfing on FB, and I got to know about the GSC this thing program. And all of the sudden, it was Sunday, and I was also free, so I just joined this session, the webinar. It was a free session, and I just wanted to know what Garbha Sanskar is, because my sister-in-law she did the Garbha Sanskar class last year. So I was knowing a bit about it, and then I thought of joining that seminar. So when I heard to Dr. Mane, it was my first time to listen to any person like this. So it was an amazing experience, and listening to him, me as well as my husband, we both felt very positive that day. And the very next day I joined the group class, and from that day I just remember it was 6th of June. I joined this class on 6th of June, and then from that day till today, means it's 5th of November today. It's been 5 months. Tomorrow I'll be completing 5 months in GSC. So it was an amazing and drastic difference before joining GSC and after joining GSC, because I was in so much tension. Before all those 3 months went into so much pressure and intention because no one was there with us, first of all. Secondly, there was some issue with the jobs in curtailment and everything. It was rushing through our lives, like from top to bottom. Is it has been changed a lot in that 3 months. Then I just thought that I'd have to only concentrate on my baby and me. So in fourth month, I started with affirmations. Then I started with morning and evening this thing, musics. Trance I was not able to do earlier, but then after 2 months I was able to do the trance also, and it made me feel very happy. And now I am in 8th month. I'm going to start my 9th month in just 5 days, and I can see the changes. Even my husband can see the changes whenever I perform the eyeball exercise. In that eyeball exercise, the second gym, that is second eye gym exercise, in which the ball moves in clockwise direction, my baby also moves in the same direction whenever I watch that exercise or I perform that exercise. So it's an amazing experience. Those who have not joined this program or this GSC group, I will request them that you join it. And if you're getting a chance to join it from day one, it is very far useful thing in your life, not only for this 9 months but for the rest of the life, because I have changed my attitude in total way. First I used to take much tension about small things, but nowadays I am just like, it's okay, we don't have to worry about each and everything. Some things we have to let go. So that let go, and you have to care about yourself also, you have to love yourself. That I have learned from this group, as well as from sir. Whatever lectures he takes in a month or so, so it is very helpful. And all the activities, I am not that fond of drawings on all, but whenever I see anyone posting drawings, I have purchased a book and I just paint, because I don't know to sketch that good. So I just paint, or I just do sketching. So it's like that group gives us the positivity, and it gives us the motivation, and the way of thinking, or the way of looking towards a thing or towards any situation, it has changed a lot. and it is very helpful for me, as well as my husband feels that I have changed a lot. So it means a lot for me, and I'll request everyone who are there in this group that keep posting, keep motivating everyone, so that we also get motivated. And those who don't know about this group or this Garbha Sanskar class, I will request everyone to share this, because whatever benefits we are getting, other person should also get the same benefit. And I'm very thankful to GSC members, as well as to the group, and to Dr. Mane. Thanks a lot. Thank you.